Ever wondered how we ended up with the time-saving miracle that is the microwave? Well, it turns out that this handy appliance was actually discovered by accident. In 1945, Percy Spencer, a scientist at the Raytheon Corporation, was conducting experiments with a new type of vacuum tube in an active radar set. One day, while testing, he noticed that the chocolate bar in his pocket had melted. The source of the high-energy waves was none other than the strange vacuum tube he was working with. Fascinated by this unexpected outcome, Spencer experimented further and ultimately developed the first microwave oven. This serendipitous discovery revolutionized our kitchens forever.